everyone, I go by the name Skyward. You can see this video. I am an affiliate marketing coach and I train people on how to make money online. Presently I'm teaching people on how to make money on Clickbank, and so as you can see, this is really giving me great sales. So to earn big money like this, contact me on my Gmail at skyward.gmail.com. But first, watch my video to see what I have for you. Thank you. Welcome to my channel. I go by the name Skyward and I train people on how to make money online. And I'm still training people on how to make money online on Clickbank affiliate marketing. Yes, as you all know, that affiliate marketing is just selling a product for a company and getting commission for each product to sell. And there are things you need to consider to become a successful affiliate marketer. So in this video, I'll be showing you how I am making thousands of dollars weekly from home, even as a beginner. Yes, if I are going to be following my training, you don't need to have any experience on affiliate marketing or on any method that I'll be using to teach you. Yes, because if my training contains my software and video course. Yes, my software is a affiliate marketing traffic generating software which work by generating more than 2,000 organic traffic daily to your affiliate platform and link for you to get commission and sales. Also, I have a video course which will guide you step by steps on how to use my software to get sales on any of your affiliate marketing platform. Yes, my software is not only applicable to Clickbank alone. You can use my software to get sales on any of your affiliate marketing platforms like JVZoo, Warrior Plus, Clickbank, and the likes. So, one of the things you need to consider to become a successful affiliate marketer is that you need a strong backup for your affiliate marketing traffic. Yes, people that are going to be accessing your link, because affiliate marketing is done online and you need people to access your link and products that you ought to sell. So one of the ways by which you can get people to access your link is to have a strong traffic system. And one of the reasons why you are watching this movie is because this video is because I want to show you the method which I'll be using to get good sales like the one you can see on the screen. Yes, this is the account of one of my students that got my software and video course, and he's doing fun already. He got it on February 9 and he started using my video course and software, and he started earning the following day, that is February 10, with my software, because my software is easy to use and my video course is self-explanatory, which will guide you step by step on how to use the software to make sales like the one you can see on the screen on any of your affiliate marketing platform. So my video course is self-explanatory, but I also guide my students. I stay by you till you start earning. I guide you step by step till you start earning on any of your affiliate marketing platform. Also, so to get my software and video course to start earning now on any of your affiliate marketing platform, always contact me on my Gmail at skyward271@gmail.com or text me on Telegram through this number you can see on the screen. Text me on my Gmail at skyward271@gmail.com or text me on Telegram through this number you can see on the screen now to get my software and video course and start earning big on any of your affiliate marketing platform. My software, as I said, is easy to use, and my video course is also self-explanatory. So contact me now to get started from home. Yes, and remember, you don't need to have any previous knowledge on affiliate marketing or on how to use the software before you can start earning like this my students online, because many of my students are not even into affiliate marketing, and due to my video course which is self-explanatory and my software which is easy to use, they are earning beautifully like the one you can see on the screen. You can earn $500, $600, $400 daily. Yes, daily on any of your affiliate marketing platform on my software, because my software generates more than 2,000 organic traffic daily and promote your affiliate link or product to this organic traffic for you to get commission and sales. So contact me now on my Gmail at skyward271@gmail.com or contact me on my Telegram through this number you can see on the screen now to get my software and video course and start earning big on any of your affiliate marketing platform. Once again, I go by the name Skyward and I train people on how to make money online. Thank you.